The Broil King Rib Rack and Roast Support. Save space and lose the mess with the Broil King Rib Rack and Roast Support. The rack is made from high-grade stainless steel and features two oversized forged handles to easily transport ribs and roasts on and off the grill. The vertical partitions allow you to cook up to 7 racks of ribs while using minimal space on your grill. Its contoured profile can support larger cuts of meat like prime rib and can be used with a roasting pan to catch juices. Elevating the meat allows better convection airflow to cook the food more evenly. When you're finished, place the rack in the dishwasher for a hassle-free clean. It's the best grilling tool for rib and roast lovers looking to save space on the grill. The Broil King Rib Rack and Roast Support. Broil King. Do more with your grill.